Welcome to another episode on how to build yourself, your brand on your social media. So today we'll be talking about TikTok ads, but before we go into the real cause of today, we are going to be talking about what to check before running your ads. Okay? So today I want you to pay attention to the most important part of your page, which is your analytics. For every social media you are running, both YouTube, both Instagram, both TikToks, even LinkedIn has its own analytics. The reason why I'm mentioning this and emphasizing this is that I've seen people with thousands of followers and views, and the audience on their page is just the opposite of their niche. Same applies to those with large followers and low views. That is why you see people, even people with low views, making it more than those with high viewers and high followers. So we need to check our TikTok analytics. Please, I'm so sorry, I need to respond to this chat. So all the videos I've made are based on the tricks, my mistakes, my corrections, the solution I've been able to get on working on every page on TikTok, on Instagram. I started using Instagram as far as when I was in school around 2019, 2020. So now that TikTok is now the word, now we need to give you the real gist of TikTok. So let me continue what I'm saying as I'm typing. You have to go and check your TikTok insights. The reason is because you can be in Nigeria and the population of people watching you can be from Ghana, can be from Pakistan. Please, do you need people like that? No, we all know the answer to this question. Same time, your analytics is going to tell you the time in which people watch more of your videos. You have to check that on your analytics. Secondly, again, is you need to check, okay, for example, I'm located in Ilorin, and imagine people watching my videos are mostly from Abeokuta, Ilesha. Can they come here to buy from me? Those few of them. That is why I am emphasizing on your analytics. You need to know your analytics so that when you run your ads, it is just going to be a great advantage for TikTok. Imagine you being TikTok and somebody gives you a gift, and the gift, two gifts, I mean, one is very important to you and the other you don't even know what to use it for. What will you do? You are going to use the one that is very important to you first before you start considering the one that is not yours. That is how TikTok analytic works. That is how TikTok ads works. That is why you keep having problem on, oh, I ran ads but I did not get results. To avoid wasteful effort, little things that we are meant to understand, we need to take note of every mistakes, everything that we need for us to manage our brand. We can't manipulate it, but we can only work with it. This is because it is a programmed channel. It is not something that you can change. That is why you have to learn, observe, and follow it. I hope you all understand what I have been saying since. Okay. Currently, the network is not really good, so let me just explain it to you. So to correct a problem like this, if you are facing such problem, because once it loads, I'm going to show you how to check the people watching your videos. So to correct something like this, you need to niche down. How will you niche down? Let me use my page as an example. For example, I sell kitchen items, okay, and I sell household things. But where am I located? In Ilorin. I will include those things in my caption. Sometimes we get confused that, okay, probably it's because of the location we picked. Yes, that is also a factor. But I am telling you that most times every social media categorize your video based on your caption. So you are going to type household and kitchen items in Ilorin. So check the words I've just said. I said household and kitchen items in Ilorin. This entails everything that I do, my location. So in my video, I will also mention it in my video. And for videos where I actually use music, in my caption, I'll mention wholesale. I'll mention price, I'll mention location. Then for my hashtags, I will check for hashtags that are used by people in Ilorin, hashtags that are used by wholesalers, hashtags of people living in Ilorin. Then I'll add it to the caption. By the time you repeat this thing for at least 5 to 10 of your videos, trust me, by the time you post your video and you will check it again, you are going to check that search bar, you realize that your videos has been classified under a particular category, either in wholesale, either in Ilorin, either in household and kitchen items in Ilorin, or household and kitchen items alone itself. So mentioning your niche, what you do in your caption, helps your video a lot, but so many people don't pay attention to this. Mentioning what you do, your niche. For example, now you are a video editor and probably the video you are supposed to post talks about mistakes video editors make. You will mention it in that caption, that video editor, for example, in Asaba. Then you'll now be like, okay, mistakes we make, blah blah blah, on it. By the time you repeat the same common words in your caption in like 5 to 10 videos, there is no how your videos will not come up in that category. This is just one of the simplest logic that people don't pay attention to, and it works on all social media. So all social media actually, promote your videos, push your videos based on what they can classify your video on. So please don't play with your captions. Then now let's go to the ads. I told you we should check analytics. So for the analytics, you are meant to check those that are watching. So mostly my videos are really shown on For You page, 53.6%, followed by personal profile. So these are the search queries, and these search queries, you can also write them down. You write them in your captions so that when TikTok, Instagram, YouTube is classifying your videos, those common words are the words that are actually common in other videos in that category. The social media can then include your own video in that category. So like I said you are going to check your analytics. So for my analytics, I'm checking each video. So if you notice in each video, it is telling me where my videos fall in the search queries. So now let's check my content, the videos, the posts that's actually performed so well in the past days. So I'm clicking on my first video. Let's check overview. I've had like 6,297 people to like view more my video. So in this video, if you check, my search queries is showing direct supply in Ilorin. I do include this word very well in my videos. I do include household items in Ilorin. I do include also kitchen items in Ilorin. I do include kitchen utensils in Ilorin. This actually helped my videos to fall in the category of videos in this niche. So it also helps me to push it to people that will likely watch this kind of videos in this niche. So please pay attention to this. Now for the countries, before I do have views from Pakistan, blah blah, but now I have views coming from Nigerians, more of the percentage. The only way you can correct this if you are having that problem is that you make sure that for the first 5 videos you post after these lessons, you make sure that you check for your queries, you check for people using the hashtag you want to use. At the same time, make sure that you repeat the same keywords with your location, okay, for like 2 to 3 videos. Now let's proceed and go to how to run ads. With the lessons that I've taught you, you are going to find it easy because your video now has a good direction. So you can post your videos in 2 ways. Either you click on the more insights on the video, or you click on promote on that 3 dash lines of your videos. So now we have boost accounts, we have get sales, we have get leads, and we have boost live. So under boost accounts, what is your goal? Is it to get more views? Is it to get more profile views? Is it to get, what's the second option? So then we have to, for me, I want to customize my audience. I do pick between 13 to 45, 54, because 55, how many people in the 55 range you want to check? And I love to pick household improvements and household products, because yes, that's what is mainly of. So whenever my videos is being pushed, it's going to first take it to those watching household products, house improvement, you get. So now I'm going to check for the amount. If I'm not okay, you leave it. Now for the call to action, most times I use either shop now or contact us. So for you that you're a digital skill creator, you can either click on learn more button or contact us, anyone of your choice. So now for get leads, please and please make sure that you check under your creatives, you unselect other videos. Make sure that you promote one video at a time. Don't promote like 5 videos at a time. That thing actually affects your promotion. Then make sure you choose certain age. That also makes it easy for TikTok, so that it's not be spreading you get and wasting your money on things that are not relevant. For live, I don't really use live, but most times I make use of either boost sales or boost leads. But with time I realize that boost leads actually work more than boost sales. But if you're a digital skill creator that enrolled or watching this video, get leads is actually better for you, or boost accounts. But if you are that type that actually sell physical products, using get sales, get leads will be better. Then probably just want visibility once in a while, you can use boost accounts. So this video, actually I have used to run ads before. TikTok is just telling me that I should give them reviews. So that's what this one is all about, actually. Nothing much. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can actually leave it in the comment section. I am going to reply to all your messages, okay? And if you check my social media page and you feel like okay, you still need more explanation, you can message me directly on WhatsApp. I will be there for you, because I collated all this video by myself. I can only speak on these videos because I have gone through it before. So let's go to mine. This shows my ads balance, the money that is there, the money that's still available for me to actually run ads. So that's all guys about running TikTok ads on your phone on TikTok platform. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to run Facebook ads. Facebook ads and Instagram ads are actually linked.